Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for anyone who uses Braun ear thermometers. We're talking about the Brauness Direct 200 counts ear thermometer covers lens filters refill caps. These little covers are designed to ensure the highest levels of hygiene and accuracy when using your ear thermometer. First and foremost, these covers are essential for maintaining hygiene. They effectively cover the tip of your Braun thermometer, preventing cross-contamination and ensuring each reading is sanitary. They're compatible with a wide range of Braun digital ear thermometer models, including the 7 Series IRT 6520 and 3 Series IRT 3030, among others. This versatility makes them a go-to choice for many users. Made from high-quality materials, these covers are BPA-free and latex-free, so you can use them with confidence. Each box contains 200 disposable covers, ensuring you won't run out quickly and providing great value for your purchase. By covering the thermometer's tip, these filters ensure accurate temperature readings, which is crucial, especially when monitoring health conditions. Whether you're using it for personal home use or in a professional medical setting, the Brauness Direct ear thermometer covers are a smart investment to maintain hygiene and accurate readings. Don't forget to check the description for more details and grab yours today. That wraps up our overview of the Brauness Direct 200 counts ear thermometer covers lens filters refill caps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay safe and informed with Product Critique.